Welcome! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of rhubarb. This vibrant and tangy plant is much more than just a tasty dessert ingredient. Rhubarb has long been celebrated in traditional medicine and modern health circles for its wide-ranging benefits, from supporting heart health to promoting digestion and even boosting brain function. In this video, you'll learn 10 incredible health properties of rhubarb, all backed by science, and I'll share easy, delicious recipes you can make at home to enjoy these benefits. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just curious, stay tuned to unlock the full potential of rhubarb for your well-being. 1. Promotes bone health with vitamin K. Rhubarb is an excellent source of vitamin K, a key nutrient essential for strong, healthy bones. Vitamin K activates osteocalcin, a protein that helps bind calcium to bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, especially important for aging adults. To boost your bone health, try this simple rhubarb and orange compote. Chop 3 large rhubarb stalks, add fresh orange juice, a tablespoon of honey, and simmer until soft. Enjoy this compote over yogurt or oatmeal daily for a natural vitamin K boost. 2. Supports digestive health and regularity. Rhubarb is rich in fiber and contains natural laxative compounds called senosides, making it a powerful remedy against constipation. It also has tannins that soothe diarrhea, balancing digestive function. For a gentle digestive aid, brew a rhubarb tea by simmering 1 tablespoon of dried rhubarb stalk with a teaspoon of ginger in boiling water. Steep for 10 minutes, strain, and sip slowly. This tea soothes your gut while promoting healthy bowel movements. 3. Helps lower cholesterol for heart health. Keeping cholesterol in check is vital, and rhubarb's fiber helps reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides while supporting heart health. Antioxidants and vitamin K further protect against arterial calcification and inflammation. Try this refreshing rhubarb lemonade. Combine chopped rhubarb, fresh lemon juice, water, and natural sweeteners like maple syrup. This drink provides heart-supporting nutrients and a delicious way to stay hydrated. 4. Fights free radicals and aging. Rhubarb is loaded with antioxidants such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and polyphenols that neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This means it helps prevent premature aging of the skin, reduces oxidative stress, and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. For skin-boosting benefits, make a rhubarb and ginger jam using minimal sweetener and fresh ginger, then spread it on your morning toast for an antioxidant-rich start to your day. 5. Aids in weight management and detoxification. With its high fiber content and laxative properties, rhubarb helps support healthy digestion and detoxification, which are key for weight management. This plant helps keep toxins moving out and improves bile flow, optimizing digestion. Try a simple rhubarb detox smoothie. Blend cooked rhubarb compote with spinach, chia seeds, and almond milk for a nutritious, digestion-friendly detox drink. 6. Boosts brain health and cognitive function. Rhubarb contains selenium, choline, and antioxidants that play a vital role in protecting brain cells and improving memory. These nutrients may help prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Make a warming rhubarb and turmeric tea. Simmer rhubarb with turmeric and a touch of honey for a brain-boosting herbal beverage that supports mental clarity and focus. 7. Natural anti-inflammatory and wound healing. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory compounds, rhubarb can help reduce inflammation in the body, aiding conditions like arthritis and promoting wound healing. Vitamin K in rhubarb also supports blood clotting necessary for skin repair. Try a topical rhubarb poultice by boiling rhubarb stalks, mashing them, and applying the warm mixture to minor wounds or skin irritations for natural relief. 8. Helps manage blood pressure with potassium. Rhubarb is rich in potassium, a mineral that helps relax blood vessels, counteracting the effects of excess sodium and lowering blood pressure. Consuming foods high in potassium has been linked to a reduced risk of heart attack and stroke. A delicious way to get potassium from rhubarb is by making rhubarb and raspberry smoothie, blending fresh rhubarb, raspberries, banana, and almond milk for a heart-friendly treat. 9. Supports healthy menopause transition. Rhubarb contains plant compounds with estrogen-like effects that can help manage menopause symptoms, such as hot flashes, anxiety, and mood swings. Incorporating rhubarb into your diet may ease hormonal imbalances naturally. Try a soothing rhubarb and chamomile tea. Steep dried rhubarb stalks and chamomile flowers for 10 minutes. Strain and drink twice daily to calm nerves and support hormonal health. 10. Antibacterial and gastrointestinal health. Historically, rhubarb has been used to treat bacterial infections and stomach issues thanks to its antibacterial and astringent properties. It can help reduce gut irritation and protect the digestive lining. For gastrointestinal support, make a rhubarb and honey syrup by gently heating chopped rhubarb with honey. Take a spoonful daily to soothe digestion and fight mild infections naturally. As you can see, rhubarb is an incredibly versatile and powerful plant with a treasure trove of health benefits, from strong bones and healthy digestion to heart protection and brain support. With these simple recipes, you can easily bring rhubarb's natural healing into your daily routine. Whether you're looking to improve your wellness or add delicious flavor to your meals, rhubarb is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more herbal health videos. Thanks for watching!